Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am back with a new speakerphone. So this one here is the AISpeech AI Conference Speakerphone M4 Pro. So we're going to check this one out here. Let's open it up. Well, my fingernails are not very big. Let's see if we can cut this plastic open. And here we go. How do you open it? It's like got the suction going. There we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like in here. We have a wire. So this is going to be, I guess, the charging wire for it. It's going to be USB to USB-C. And then we have, I guess the device is going to be inside of this. And then we have also, that's everything in the box, we have our instructions. So it's got some directional voice pickup here and stuff. So we're just going to open it up and check it out and see what it looks like. Nice little container. I like these little containers. Makes it easy to take with me when I gotta go to a conference room or something like that. So here we go. So this is it here. It doesn't have a whole lot of buttons on it or anything. It's just this. So let's look at it. So this is what it looks like there. It's got a nice feel. It looks super professional with the feel on it. I don't even see how to turn it on. Is there a button or something here? Let's see. So it's going to be touch sensitive somehow. So buttons and lights indicator are on there. So where is the power button? Oh, it's on the side. I guess there are some buttons right there. There's some buttons right there. So let's see if we push the power button. And then here we go. See, it lights up. Oops, it lights up on there. And so now it should be ready to go, I guess. Do I have to put the Bluetooth mode maybe? Let me see if I can connect to it through Bluetooth. So we'll go into Bluetooth on my iPad, and I have something called let's see if this is it. I don't know. Bluetooth. Press and hold for 2 seconds. Okay, we're not connecting to anything yet. So we have the Bluetooth button. 1, 2. There we go. So now we should be in Bluetooth pairing mode. I see the Bluetooth is flashing. So now let me turn on Bluetooth on my iPad. Let me go to something else. Bluetooth on. And let's see if it finds it. It did find something called AMic A4 something, which I'm guessing is this one here. It did. Connected. Okay, so we should be connected right now. So let's see if we play like YouTube. YouTube, why? Let's try this thing on. I hear myself. Okay, let's see. I don't have the volume very high though. There it goes right here. So inside there's a little pocket. So there we go. Volume's up there. I wonder what happens if I. Oh, look at that. When I push these buttons here, it actually controls the volume on my iPad. So it's actually going back and forth. So this is it. So I don't know if you can hear it. Okay. Kind of a heavy battery. It's got a lot going on. So I picked a video of mine where I'm talking about. So let's put this on and see what happens. It actually sounds really good. Is it for me? I got a lot. And then so it's a. Let me. Oh, actually, I got to stop it here for a second. Okay, let's stop it here. And I want to explain part of it here. I guess we have a directional voice pickup. So we short press to enable or disable this button. So you can push it, and it will make it either directional or not directional, I guess. And then this here mutes the microphone. There, you can see it turns red when I push the button on it. So that's kind of cool. And it looks like it lets us connect it through. Oh, we have a volume indicator too. Let's see, where's the volume indicator? Maximum volume. Oh, there it is right there. You see the little dots on there. I didn't even see that as I was pushing the buttons on the computer. I wonder if I do it on here. How do I change the volume? Oh, here. Oh, when I change it on the thing, it changes it there too. Very cool. And so we have volume down, volume up, mute, and directional voice pickup. So we can disable or enable that. So I guess if we set it, we're just going to hear us coming from this side. And if we disable it, it does the other way. But I guess because I'm not recording now, it's probably not doing anything. I'm not prepared to make a phone call at the moment because my whole family, I usually call my mom, and they're all at my brother's birthday party. So we're not going to be able to do that. But it looks like this is pretty much it, and it looks like really nice, and it sounded really good to me. I mean, I got sound plenty loud enough for a conference room. This is on full blast volume. It's not the loudest one in the world, but it's plenty loud for a conference room. I guess if you were doing it at a construction site, it's not going to be necessarily loud enough for that, maybe. But for, you know, especially here in the house, or you probably even use it in your car, it's going to sound good too. So I'm going to say it's pretty good. Actually, I'm going to try to record something. Let me just do, I think I can do a voice memo. See if I do a voice memo and try to record it and see what it sounds like. So I've never used it on the iPad before, but let's see. So let's see, tap the record button to start a voice memo. So now I am recording myself on this thing. So let's see how it sounds. So now I am recording myself on this thing. So let's see how it's. Wow, that sounds good, and it actually came out a lot louder than when I recorded myself. So I don't know if you guys could hear it very well because my microphone's right here, but to me it sounded really good. So I'm going to say this is a really nice little setup here, and super convenient, super cool with this. I'll just be able to put this in here with this and the little wires, and let me turn it back off again, and I am good to take to me. I don't know how to tell if I have battery power or not, but I don't usually make very long calls, so it doesn't matter too much. But super cool. I'm going to say this is nice. It's the AISpeech conference speaker. So this is probably good, nice for a nice little small conference room or office, just individual person. Not necessarily going to use this for a huge corporate table with 20 people around it. Might work for that though, but definitely works. So thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.